Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about bidding mindset, how to transform your approach to winning cleaning contracts. All right, hey there cleaning business owners, welcome back to my channel where we will be talking about bidding and more. So today we're deep diving into a game changer for your business, the bidding mindset. Many people think winning contracts is just about crunching numbers, but in the competitive world of commercial cleaning, it's really about the mindset. In this video, I'm going to share how shifting your mindset can transform your bidding process, help you overcome rejections, and ultimately win more contracts. Whether you're a veteran or just starting out, mastering your mental approach is the key to success. So let's get into it. Number one, why mindset matters in bidding. First off, let's talk about why your mindset is so critical. When you submit a bid, you're not just sending a price sheet, you're offering a promise of quality and reliability. The right mindset means you believe in the value of your service. Are you confident that your pricing reflects your worth? Embrace rejections as a learning opportunity rather than a failure. When you approach each bid with confidence, you're more likely to negotiate effectively and stand out from competitors who might be undervaluing themselves. Key component of a winning bidding mindset. Let's break down the key components of a winning bidding mindset, because you have to believe in what you put in that proposal. So you must have confidence. Know your service is top notch. Confidence isn't about being arrogant. It's about understanding the quality that you bring to the table. This belief will show in your proposal and during follow ups. You got to be persistent. Not every bid will be successful, and that's okay. A resilient mindset means using every no as a stepping stone to a future yes. Persistence is your best tool for long-term success. Then you have value focus. Your bid should reflect not just the price, but the value of your expertise, your customer service, and the reliability of your team. Focus on what makes your service unique. Then you have continuous improvement. Each bid is a learning experience, whether you win or lose. Analyze the feedback, refine your approach, and come back stronger next time. Because I've done thousands of bids. I ain't win all of them. And then sometimes they come back later. You forgot all about them. They come back with your bid. So, strategies to develop a winning bidding mindset. Here are some actionable strategies to build and maintain a winning bid mindset. First, do your homework. Research the client's needs and market rates thoroughly. Preparation builds confidence. If you know something about the business, or at least the size of the building or whatever, it do give you a little confidence. Visualize success. Before sending out your bid, take a moment to visualize a positive outcome. Imagine the client being impressed by your proposal. I'm excited every time I send one. I don't know if I'm a winner or not, but just the fact that I was asked uh, to do it is exciting. And then affirm your value. Remind yourself daily that your skills and services are worth the price you charge. Consider writing down a few affirmations like, I provide exceptional cleaning services and my bid reflects my value. Review past successes. Look at the bids you've won before. What worked? And then recreate the formula. Learn from rejections. Instead of letting the rejection get you down, analyze what you can improve for the next time. Each setback is an opportunity to grow. And then staying resilient in the face of rejection. Rejection is a natural part of the bidding process. Even the best in the industry faces it. And here's how to stay resilient. Don't take it personal. I tell my team, don't take it personal when clients say, don't take it personal. A lost bid is rarely about you. It's about the fit, the timing, or the client's specific needs. That's why you have to put in there what they said they want so you're clear. Ask for feedback when possible. Seeking feedback so you can improve your future bids. And then keep your pipeline full. A few rejections won't sink your business if you continue to actively pursue new opportunities. You have to continue to grow even um, you always have to continue to grow because for one, your contract's only for a year. And then not only that, if you lose it, you can't depend on that. You have to consistently grow. Same way the turnover is with the people, the same way the turnover can be with your clients. So you have to continually grow. You can't stop and say you just got these. No, that's not how it works. You'll lose them and then you'll be starting all over again. So stay motivated, celebrate your wins, and remind yourself of the bigger picture. Every bid brings you closer to success. Now that you know how critical the right bidding mindset is, it's time to put these strategies into practice. Start by adjusting your approach, believing your value, and turn every bid into a learning experience. And it really is a learning experience because the more you do it, the more you learn, the better you get. Now, if you found these tips helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss more insights on growing your cleaning business. I love to hear your thoughts. What's the biggest challenge you face when bidding? Drop your comments below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And again, those links are down below so that you can get the bidding app and that you could go on my website and get more information. So I will see you guys. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day.